If you have wanted a simple solution to not just create digital products and services, but to also quickly sell your digital solutions to customers without any frustration or confusion, then keep watching, because in this video, you'll discover how to easily sell online courses from your own website with the Kajabi payment processing features. Now, you'll want to keep watching until the end of this video to learn how to avoid one of the biggest result killers when it comes to making money from your digital products and services. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important to make sure you get your online selling properly set up? And it's because sales are the lifeblood of your business, but a poor buying experience will drastically reduce your sales conversions. See, many online entrepreneurs try and Frankenstein together multiple software solutions in order to promote, sell, and deliver their digital products and services. However, this can lead to vulnerabilities in your business, such as WordPress plugins getting hacked or connections between multiple platforms getting disconnected after a software update, which means not only lost sales for you, but possibly negative feedback and extra refunds in the process. In case you're new to my videos, I'm Dex Williams, and I've been helping others market and sell their knowledge online since 2007. And over that time, I've noticed that most entrepreneurs cause themselves additional problems with how they set up for selling online. This is why I wanted to showcase how Kajabi makes selling online even easier. First off, they have offers. Offers are essentially one or more digital products that you put up for purchase. When it comes to the purchase options, Kajabi allows for a lot of flexibility. For example, you can do a one-time payment to purchase a product or service. You can offer multiple payments, so 3 payments of $97 once a month, for example. You can set up a subscription if you're doing a membership or any ongoing service, or you can offer your product or offer your services for free. You also have the ability to use different payment gateways. For example, Kajabi makes it really simple to either use Stripe or PayPal, or use them both together. It's very much up to you. On top of that, Kajabi doesn't charge a transaction fee, which means the only payments or only fees that you need to worry about with your payment gateways are from Stripe and PayPal themselves. Kajabi doesn't tack on anything extra. Then you have the ability to use limits. You could have a quantity limit for the amount of offers that are sold, or you could have a time limit if you want to have a deadline. You also have the ability to do an instant post-purchase communication. So you could send either a default email that the system sends out after a purchase. You could create a custom email so that you can send off your own thank you or welcome message. Or maybe you have no post-purchase email go out because you want to use some of the automated email marketing features built into the platform. That said, they do allow you to also use cart abandonment features, which means if someone goes through the process of entering their information in your checkout form, and before they finish, they kind of get distracted, they take off, you can actually send follow-up emails to say, hey, I noticed you were in the process of buying my product or service. I just wanted to see if you had any questions or concerns that I could address. And you'd be surprised how often people just realize they forgot to finish their purchase and actually go back and buy. Kajabi also has coupons for a fixed discount or a percentage off. So if you're doing some sort of launch or special promotion for one of the offers you have created, you could either do this as a one-time single-use coupon, or perhaps you create a bulk amount of coupons, say 20, 50, 100, and that is what you and your team give out as a special discount for whatever you're giving away. You also have the ability to have the coupons be one time, or they could apply to multiple payments. So for example, you can have a repeating coupon where the first 3 months of someone's subscription are 10% off, 20% off, etc. Or you could have a set amount of time so that the coupon lasts for 3 months, 5 months, 6 months before expiring. A lot of flexibility. If you don't already have a Kajabi account and you are curious to see how it may be able to help you in your business, you'll want to check out the current special offer for Kajabi using the link below. Not only will you get an extended free trial access to the platform, but there's also a couple other goodies that get tossed in. Speaking of goodies, I also provide a $997 business toolkit bonus for anybody who decides to take action on the current Kajabi special offer in the link below. For more details on that business toolkit, what's included, the live coaching, etc., take a look in the description below. Now, there are 2 mistakes that you'll want to avoid when it comes to selling online courses from your own website. The first is overthinking pricing of your product, and as a result, getting stuck never putting anything out for sale. For example, you'll want to test multiple price points, starting with lower pricing and then increasing so that you can find out what your market responds to the best before you settle on a specific price. Now that you'll be able to easily sell online courses from your own website with Kajabi payment processing, the next step is to leverage the built-in automations to increase your sales and student success examples. Now, I'm curious, what price point do you plan to sell your solutions for? Let me know in the comment section below. Want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies? Make sure to hit that like button, push that subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so that you get the heads up as soon as they are released. And be sure to watch this next video on business strategies and tips right now.